Good morning, student friends. In this video, we shall discuss very important topic, that is right to equality. Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. They are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. So today we shall discuss right to equality. Article 14 to 18 deals with different aspects of right to equality. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution says that the state shall not deny to any person equality before law or equal protection of laws within the territory of India. Article 15 of the Indian Constitution categorically states that state shall not make any discrimination only on the grounds of caste, race, religion, sex, or place of birth. Then Article 16 of the Indian Constitution provides equal opportunities in the matters of public employment. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability. The practice of untouchability in any form is offense and it is punishable under law. Then last, Article 18 of the Indian Constitution also abolishes titles and awards. So right to equality is most important fundamental right provided by the Indian Constitution. Thank you.